Hello, today we are talking with Stefan Bauer, Director Sales, and Wolfgang Pyrags, Key Account Manager from Optima Life Science. Stefan, Optima has developed innovative machine solutions for the high-speed production of Stoma base plates that come up to all current market requirements. These are flexibility, product quality, and sustainability. Could you describe this special product and what it is used for?
Yes, Jan. So the Stoma base plates, they are used to interface between the human body and a Stoma bag. And they are there to level skin folds or unevenness on skin in order to prevent that any excretions would come in between the base plate and the skin and then potentially create issues.
How did you come to offer machine solutions for this particular market?
As we always take care of the needs of our customers, we've at a very early stage already started in going into new developments, which means we combined new developments with proven technologies in a new machine solution for high-speed production of Stoma care products.
Wolfgang, could you tell me please which processes are covered?
Yeah, we cover from the unwind till the final product all main processes. So we start with an automatic dosing system to manufacture the patch. We have a forming station to shape it, and then we go to the second part of the machine, which is the base material, which is coming from an extruder, and we assemble a two-layer product. So we have printing, we have dosing, we have forming, and outline cutting, and finally we stack the product into boxes.
What are the key advantages of the line?
I would say the main advantage is the high speed, so we were able to increase the speed to 120 products a minute. And a big benefit for the customer is the product savings. For the most expensive product, we have no waste at all, so we dose exactly the volume which is needed for the product, which at the end saves the customer at least 30% of production cost just based on the raw material. What we also managed in this machine, we have inline extrusion, so there is no roll handling required for the adhesive material, which also enables us to have a machine running without any stops. Waste extraction systems for process waste also guarantee a high efficiency of the machine.
Thanks a lot for this information, Wolfgang and Stefan.